Looking for a great hosting solution? Check our website for prices. First, what you need to do is to update the server packages. You can do this by the following command. Neovim package is not available in Ubuntu-based repository, so you can install it via importing ppa repo as shown. Run the command below to reflect on ppa. Then install neovim as shown. Adjust neovim through CLI by using the command below, or you can search on the system search bar by typing neovim. Neovim will be launched as shown. Use the help option with nvim to get all possible options with it. That's it. If you have any question, please leave in the comments.